Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you a really good Clickbank method that you can use to market Clickbank products on a really high free traffic website that most people probably don't know about. It's a really good site. It gets over 1 million visitors per month to it, and you can market your Clickbank products. You can even use Digistore 24 products if you'd like as well in this particular method. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this. Before we do, but for the people that are new to my videos, if this is your first time coming to my videos or to my channel, reach right down there below your video right now, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which most of you know that I do this pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started in on this video here today. First thing you want to do, of course, come over to clickbank.com. You want to come to Clickbank. If you don't have an account with Clickbank, it's free to sign up. Just click the sign up button, walk through their form, and get signed up. They will send you an email confirmation. Make sure that you get that confirmed, get your account validated, and come back over, get logged in, and then come up here and click right here where it says Marketplace. Now, like I said, you guys can use, with this particular method, you can use any product you want. It doesn't matter, any product. You can use Digistore 24 products, you can use Warrior Plus, you can use JV Zoo, it doesn't matter. Any affiliate product that you want to use for this particular method. So this particular method though, you want to come over and get into the marketplace, click on that, and it brings you over to the marketplace page here. And guys, for this particular method here, I'm going to choose a health and fitness product. And I'm going to use this one right here. It's the Diabetes Freedom product right here, guys. And you can make $49.56 per sale. And this particular product does not have recurring billing, but it is recommended to choose a recurring billing product so that you can get paid, or it's a subscription product so you can get paid every month, again, over and over and over, as long as they stay a subscriber. Okay? But for this example here today, I'm just going to show you this using Diabetes Freedom here. And if we click on it, you can see the sales page here. It's a really good sales letter, video sales letter page here. It's really good. And people like these types of videos, sales letters here like this. What we're going to do is once you get your product, you want to check out the affiliate tools that come with it too that will help you market this. And once you get that, then what the site you want to come to that we're going to market this on is this site right here, guys. It's called Gibo or Gibo. I'm not sure how to pronounce it quite, but right up here in the address bar, you can look right here. It's Gibo or Gibo.com. Right here. This is a really good classified site, and like I told you, this site that we're going to market it on has quite a lot of high free traffic. So if I click on my SimilarWeb application or extension here, it comes out, and if I scroll up, guys, you can see right here this site currently gets about 1 million visitors per month. So that is high built-in traffic for your Clickbank product right here. Now, like I said, guys, this is a classified site, and you can see that other people are selling like Clickbank products and Digistore 24 products on here, such as this one right here, the Nutra Miracle Keto Drops, for sale in Great Neck, New York. These are Clickbank and Digistore 24 products right here. Now, the nice thing about this site, guys, is when you come over here to it, there is no sign up. You don't have to sign up for this. You just simply click on create a post right here, and they have all kinds of categories here and so on and so forth on this classified site, just like any other classified site for the most part. So what you want to do is you want to click on post right up here, and then click on that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to choose the merchandise category here, because what we're selling is a physical product or merchandise type product. And then what we want to do is put a title in. So what I recommend you do is come back and click on your affiliate link here, open up your affiliate link to the product, and what we're looking for is we want to use like email swipes right here, or any good information about the product we can use too, but email swipes is usually pretty good. So we're going to click on email swipes, and then we're going to click right here where it says click here to get immediate access to high converting swipes right here. So if we click on that, that brings us over, opens up a Google Doc form here, and you can see there are all kinds of email swipes right here that you can use in your marketing of that particular product on that site called Gibo that we're going to use. So we'll just do this. What we'll do is we'll take a title. It's asking for a title here. As you see, we're going to put a title in right here, and we'll just take a title off the one of these email swipes right here. Let's see here. Let's take this one right here, and we'll highlight that, copy that, and bring that over and paste that into our title section right here. And then in our description here, we're going to come back and we'll get the email. I keep flipping on that, and we'll just let's see here. That goes down. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy this information right here on this email, and then scroll down here. And we'll just leave it about right there like that, and we will copy this information here and bring it back over in our post and paste that in there just like that. Now the thing about this site is they don't have a place where you can put a link in, but you can still put in the link to the product, and the people will have to copy and paste it and put it in their browser, which we will set that up here right now. Watch what I do. Come back here to our product, and I'm going to click on promote right here, and we're going to get our affiliate link. You guys want to make sure that your affiliate or account nickname is in the box right here. If you want, you can use a tracking ID for this, but I'm not going to in this video, and I'll just create or click on generate hop links here, and that gives us our long ugly Clickbank link here, and I'm going to click on copy on that, guys. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring that over here to this site right here. I'm going to shorten it up. I'm going to tinyurl. You can see it right up here in the address bar. It's tinyurl.com. You see right there. And then we're going to paste our link right in there, just like that. And then we're going to say make tinyurl. And then it gives us our link right over here. You see it came out here off the left side or right side here, guys. And we will copy that link. Now, like I always tell you guys, you want to test these things out, these links, and make sure it takes you where it's supposed to. All right, so we'll click and paste that in there and go. And sure enough, it takes us right over to the product sales page and has our affiliate link attached right there to it. All right, so then what we're going to do is we're going to bring this back over here to our post. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do it a couple of places here. We will put our link right in here in our tiny URL right here. I'm going to say copy and paste the link in your browser to see this product. And then we'll paste our tiny URL link right there. So you see, so you're telling them to copy and paste it and put it in their browser if they want to go see it, because there's no link on this post that you can do. So we will take and we'll put that in a couple of different places here. So I'm just going to copy that and bring it over, and we'll paste it right down here at the bottom right here as well. Right there. So then we go, so now we got our links in there to our product, guys, and you see that. And then what we want to do is you want here under type, we're going to click that drop down, and we want to put it under health and beauty right there. And then the zip code, you can put in whatever you want. We can go, what would it be, 10001, something like that. And it puts it in, and it just put in whatever zip code you want. Doesn't make any difference about that. And then put in an email. You can put a contact email in there if you want. And I'm just going to throw in one of my generic emails that I have. And then you can put in here and just put in contact name. Just put your initials in there like that. You don't have to put, these are required. You don't have to put your phone in there or anything. And then you do want to put the price in here though, guys. So we come back and we see that the price for this product is $49.56. So we're going to copy that and bring that over here, and we'll put in $49.56 right there. Now what we want to do is we want to upload a photo for this. So we'll come back to our product, and we'll see if we can get a good photo for that. Alrighty guys, I just decided to take this little picture right here. Right here it says Diabetes Freedom Video Course, which is what this is about. And what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and come back to our post and we will upload that particular picture there. You can put as many pictures as you want, but just for this example, I'm going to use this picture right here. And you can actually choose another one if you want as well too. Now you got to check this little garbage box right here, guys. I'm not a robot, you know I don't like these things. Most of you know this. Check the box right down here where it says accept the terms of use, and then it's just a matter of clicking post after that and post your new post in there. It says thanks for using good. Your ad is currently awaiting review, and then you can help ensure that it will be approved by checking what meets our guidelines and so on and so forth. And then in a little bit that'll be approved, guys, and that will be loaded onto the site, and it will be under the 1 million traffic that's available to this site. And guys, you can do this with as many products as you want, as often as you want. In fact, the more often you do it and the more products you post on this site, the more opportunity and chances you have to make some good money with Clickbank products or Digistore 24 products, whatever affiliate products you choose to use on this really good high traffic website. Guys, that's my method for today. Hope you like it. Reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. Also, if you have any comments about this video or any questions, just leave them down below the videos there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my #1 free affiliate video presentation for a high ticket affiliate marketing, click down there below in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out what's available there to help you learn how to be a high ticket affiliate marketer starting today. Alrighty guys, come over and take action on this. Begin to make yourself some money with Clickbank or Digistore 24, any affiliate product you want, and leave a comment down there if you've had any success with this particular method down below. Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today.